Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to set up spatial 3D wallpaper on your iPhone on iOS 26. So let me directly get into it. So if you wanted to set up a spatial 3D effects on your iPhone, this is what you have to do. So we have a lot of available wallpapers. For me, I have already downloaded some of the wallpaper. So you have to download some wallpaper. You can search on a Google Chrome or Safari for the 3D wallpapers, and once you downloaded it, over here if I go to the photos, you can see this is one of the 3D wallpaper which I downloaded from the Google Chrome. You can do the same, and once you download it, what you need to do is you can see there is an icon over here at the left, at the bottom left, and you have to click on this particular one. And right now just go over here, there is an option called use wallpaper. Just go over here, click on use wallpaper. And right now what you need to do is you can see once it's set up over here, there is an icon over here. So before tapping on this particular icon, you have to keep in mind two things. One, make sure that you're having a good internet connection. In the sense, if you're using the cellular data, make sure that you're having a strong cellular data, or you can switch to, if you're having a weaker cellular data, you can switch to the Wi-Fi. Once you make sure that you're having a good and strong internet connection, you can just go over, tap over here like this on that icon. As you can see, it is generating the spatial screen, and once it is created, if I tilt it, you can see it is moving right now, and I'm going to click on add. And once I click on add, over here it is asking me that you wanted to set up for both. Let me go for both wallpaper pair, and once it is done, I'm going to lock my iPhone. And if you see, you can see that even if I do like this, it is on the 3D effect is happening right now. So this is how you can set up the 3D spatial wallpaper on your iOS 26. And I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it. Bye bye.